First up, we got this 25-inch, half-inch drive Pittsburgh breaker bar. I got it about 2 to 3 years ago. I paid $12.99 for it, and it is a very solid breaker bar. I'm not disappointed with it. I would gladly pay $29.99 for it if I had to. It is very solid and it will not let you down. It's a great buy. Next up, we got this US General 18-inch magnetic tool holder. I have bought many of these. I have them all over my tool shed. They are wonderful. You can catch them on sale. I believe I gave $2.99 for this one on sale, and they're, I believe, $4.99 off sale, and that's still a great price. Everybody else is going to charge you $10.99 and $12.99. So grab you a couple at Harbor Freight and save some money. Next up, we got the Pittsburgh 6-inch magnetic parts holder. I grabbed these on sale for $2.99. I believe off sale, they're like regularly $4.99, something like that. Home Depot or Lowe's is going to hit you for $10.99 easily for the exact same thing. So go to Harbor Freight. Even if it's not on sale at $4.99, you're going to be saving some money. They will help you, because who has not crawled around on the ground trying to find the nut or bolt that you dropped? I've been there. It's a headache. Use these and eliminate that. Make your job easier. Next up, we got this Pittsburgh 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set. I got this at the parking lot sale for $9.99, and I'll admit I have never owned these. I've never used these, so this is a first-time thing for me. Going to be kind of a trial and error thing, but for $9.99, I thought, you know, you can't really beat it. Let's give it a try, and I will do a future video and kind of throw out there my opinion of them after I've used them for a while. The big one here is really kind of what sold me on the ideal, and as a DIY guy, I'm constantly, and you're probably like me, prying on something. It's either you're trying to put a belt on an alternator or something and you're prying. You'll use whatever you have. You know, you'll grab a screwdriver, a piece of pipe or something, and normally it'll slip and bust your knuckles, and you know, that ain't no fun. So I figured, hey, for $9.99, I'll get these. We'll give them a try. And like I said, I'll do a future video and let you know what I think of them. So we'll go from there. All right, last thing we got is going to be the Pittsburgh 4-piece mini pick and hook set. I grabbed them on sale for 99¢. I have walked by these things at Harbor Freight many a time, thought nothing of them. I finally purchased them, throw them in my toolbox. And it's hard to explain, but while you're doing something, some type of project, one of these 4 tools will really come in handy. So for $1, you know, it's a no-brainer. Grab them, throw them in your toolbox. I grabbed another pack, going to throw them in my truck toolbox. They're very handy to have, and they ain't that much money. You can't go wrong with them. Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And God bless you all. Randall Reed.